Wait, are we good? Are we good now? Hello? I didn't realize my mic wasn't working. Just had to skip that shit. That was wild. I'm assuming everyone left, whoever was chatting. So I'm just gonna go back to what I was doing. I think we're good now. Yeah, so the plan is I'm gonna pull up a drawing thing. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to put that on the screen. Okay, there it is. So that should show up now. Just put that up there. So we want to make let's make it 50 pixels wide and 20 pixels tall. I think that's a good size of a button. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Save that. Okay. Wait, what? It's not even showing. Oh, it's character 3, man. What? The hell? The file's not even open. Yet it's showing. now that we have that, we want to go up here and do something like, what do we want it under? Character images now, we want it under, what else? Oh, yeah, we could put it under character images, why not? Just have a new one. Call it a interaction. Oh, damn, I don't have the folder over. Oh, it's button. It's button, not interaction. Screen dot lit, character images dot, that would be, interaction, I think, wait, how do you call one, is it okay? Where did I use it somewhere else, where did I use character underscore images? Oh yeah, brackets, not function. That's right. I'm like, there we go. Interaction, and then we do x equals this, y equals this. Oh, this is image, so let's do image equal x minus 15, and then we'll do y plus 15, because I think we want it somewhat out there, right? Okay, it crashed it. Oh shit. Because X and Y are not the proper things. Positional argument follows keyword argument.
Put your ass in a cage.
I'm so confused about that, but let's do it that way, I guess. Um, Damn it, what the hell? Do I have to... Okay. Oh, oh. Wrong direction. Sorry. Too much. Got it. Oh, wait. But every iteration we need to clear that, so maybe we add that. We add that in player variable, so at the start of every there we go. See, it's still, oh, oh, there it goes. So, that's actually a problem, isn't it? What? Is that a joke? Why is it calling that? Okay, no, how we did this, clearly wrong, right? Because we shouldn't have to do this. So let's change how we detect it, right? Or interaction. Just how do we declare recent? Okay, so if players colliding. No, we just want to do. We don't want append, we want equals to actually. And then forget for interaction. It's if interaction, you know what I mean? So literally we just go to delete all of that. Bring this shit back. Bring this shit back. Bring this shit back. So oh wait, now we need to put that in here. Don't we? For collision detection. Yes. Yes. Okay. I realized that the game was up the whole time. And you didn't even get to see the code. Okay. I am confused. Okay, here, you know, I know why it's not doing what we wanted to do. It's easy, it's simple. I don't know why I just didn't do this in the first place. If they're that close, boom. Okay. Man, I thought we improved that collision detection. What's the problem here? Because this isn't a real object. I think I messed up on those. Because oh, because there's, yeah, okay. Okay, there we go. There's some quality object control, I guess. There's I mean, that's quality. I don't know why. Did I break the code? I think I broke it. I'm not gonna lie, I think I broke it, but so if the difference between the player and oh shit, okay. If it's no less than 45, then screen dot lit X and Y, right? Oh wait, no, actually we don't want to screen dot lit. We want to set the variable for. We actually want to put. Ooh, okay. We want to put an object to be put on the screen, right? So, don't we have world objects? We have characters. So object creation. Here, let me just do this. Object creation is this, and then world characters is appended. Okay, so we don't have objects right now. So this is what we kind of want to do. We want to make an object handler. So we want to automate the screen.blitz shit. So I think this is how it's gonna happen. Is it'll take all of this information here, and it'll actually get fed into a screen.blitz must be okay. We'll do it under main window. Actually, paste that for now, so it's not lost. But under main window, we want to define screen blit self whatever, yep, self dot screen dot blit Boom. Fucking sick, right? Couple lines and you're already making this shit go boom, boom, boom. Gotta get there. Okay, so now we do world edit dot world objects dot append. Wait a minute. Why is that problematic? Unexpected argument. Nah, okay, let's expect it. Oh, wait. I know why it's not expected. Damn it, get just a damn mouse. Oh shit. If world edit dot world for objects in world edit dot world objects. If whoops, did not mean to do that. Okay. I'm making, if you're still here, I'm making a game, I think, a little project, you know, it's, whoops, equals nothing right now, just to launch it. So I'm making a little game here. It's, so far I have objects being printed to the screen, and there is collision detection, and right now I'm just making it to where every time we collide with somebody, it saves our recent transaction with them. Good morning, Israel Yaya. What a name. We're making a game where you collide with these guys, it saves your transaction, and then it'll bring up a menu of details or whatever. So that's the current project. World objects. I guess let's just skip that. If world edit dot world objects is not none. Or world edit dot world objects, not characters, is not. For world edit dot world objects, main window dot screen blit world edit. Oh, sorry, no, we want to do. I'm ahead of myself. For obj in that we want obj 0 and obj 1. Okay. So, no? Still nothing? Damn it. Should I print world edit world objects just to see, to make sure that it's oh shit, what's wrong? Oh. It's not a, oh. Okay. What to do does not equal there. Let's see here. So it printed nothing, so does it never add anything? Or did I mix it up? Duplicate found, duplicate not found, append with character image and that, so that never adds to it. Okay. Well, the collision works, and that's what matters. So this interaction window, is it because of these numbers? Like, did I mess it up? I feel like it stopped working altogether when these numbers were like involved. You know what I mean? So, oh, aha. See, oh shit. That changes things. That changes things. Now we have a crash. We have a crash. Wow. Okay, at least we got that. So now we know that. Oh, wait. Because we never defined duplicate. Okay, so duplicate found equals false, because basically no matter what we want it to say that. So let's try it now. Oh my god, and now it works. It works. It does it. Okay, now we need to. Oh, okay. Now we need to remove old interactions because now it's just popping them up. Finally, some good progress. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that shit. Yeah. Okay. So now, when it detects a new interaction, we need to clear the old interaction. Would we not? So for objects in world edit, world objects, I think interaction, if there's any interaction whatsoever, it's not even one within that, right? It's not even if there's a duplicate found, we need to eradicate, right? Yeah. So maybe, hold on, let me think here. So we still want to do for objects in world edit, but I think every time there's an interaction involved, like I would love to sit here and be like, hey, I believe that whenever we initiate an interaction, we need to save the state of that interaction as the recent interaction. So that's probably where I will use recent interaction, this variable right here. So I need to set recent interaction. Oh wait, what am I doing? I don't do that here. I'm doing that in a random spot. Don't even know what I'm doing. So, player world variable, duplicate found equals false, and then we scan for objects. Wait a minute. What am I doing? I think we need to reset. We need to purge all interactions. So world edit dot pop, or no, dot world objects dot pop, and then we do objects. Oh shit, right. There we go. So what does that do? Does that just remove it once it's made? Or does it happen when we... Tuple object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh, because we have to do the index of the object. Okay, so now we do world edit dot world objects dot index the pop. Okay, yep, I think that's what we gotta do. Oh, yep. Okay, so it's just going to remove it every time the interaction succeeds. But as you can see, it's very iffy. Like, it doesn't like when you do from the top, really. I mean, sure, it kind of works. I don't know, it's kind of alright. I think I'm trying to think about how to do that better. Because we're just this is so simple that we don't have to change it, right? So as long as there's an object in that thing, right, it's gonna pop it. But as you can see, it's there and then it's gone because I'm checking for duplicates. So this isn't where I want to pop it. I want to do that somewhere else. So, oh shit, I did not mean to do that. I still want to do inside of for the world objects. So, whoops, interaction count plus equals 1, and then up here will be like, okay, interaction count equals 0. And then oh wait, we don't even need this line here. So then we do for objects in world edit dot world objects. Oh wait, no, we needed to do if interaction count is greater than 1 for objects in world edit dot world objects. World edit dot world objects dot pop world edit dot world objects dot index objects. Okay. I think I'm doing that wrong. I actually think I want to undo all of that. Because I think we're doing that wrong. I think we don't need to. Yeah, I don't think we should actually use it to. I think we're doing it all wrong. I don't think we need to append world objects. Nah. I don't think so at all. Whoops. So, duplicate found, we shouldn't care about that. We want to keep So if they're close, and there is an interaction found, if there is no interaction found, you need to append one. And then, okay, I got it. We need to, this piggybacks off of this set, right? So, technically, right, we're doing this for every item in world edit, world character. Are we sure we want to do that? Yeah, because then we don't have to. Oh wait, you know why we're doing that? Because we're not doing something smart here. We're gonna do this, gonna do this. And then we're gonna, we need to define X and Y again, don't we? Yeah, so let's do outside X, outside Y, and 0, 0, and then here OSX and OSY equals X and Y. That way. Oh wait, that's never gonna happen because it's. Well, regardless, we want that, and we want that. Okay. So we fixed the problem with that. Now, if duplicate found, we just wanna break the loop, right? And then if duplicate found, we want to pop it and append it, right? I think so. I don't know. Let's try it. You know what? We don't know what it's gonna do unless we try it. I guess we would if we were 10 times smarter, right? I don't know what that's. Pop. World. I can't even type world. Objects. Index. That's so loud. Might put on something else, but everything's copyrighted. I feel like doing the copyright bullshit. Okay, right. Index objects. No. Oh wow. Okay, now we need to save all that into something. So we need an outside variable here declared. Well, no, that's when we need to take. Oh wait, we just replace it in the list. Are you kidding? That's what we do if there's a duplicate found, so we don't even need this line, right? And then we do world edit world edit world objects dot append. Wait, which one is it? Is it insert and then pop? Let's just do this. Index var equals world edit world objects dot index objects, and then I gotta look up real quick how that works. So it's Python list edit. Okay, yeah, insert is what we want. So insert. That's what I thought. Insert. Now we need the index var, and then objects. But we don't want all of objects, right? Wait. No, wait, we want X and Y inserted there, right? I think that's what it calls for. Oh, duplicate found is not defined, right? Okay, because we need to actually replace that. Wait, what? Oh, I accidentally put all the S's there. That's why. Oh, what happened? Argument 1 must be surface, not. Oh, right. Okay. Dot insert. Do we even have the image? Guess we could do image var equals world edit, and then the objects 0. Okay, I guess we don't have to waste our time declaring more variables. We can just do that. Oh Lord, okay. I don't know why that's doing that. Why is it doing that?
badass, and it worked.
No, that was awesome.
What? I wasn't talking to you. What'd you say? I'm not talking to you. You don't listen.
God damn. Alright. Let's see here. Right, okay, so it creates two objects. Why is there two objects in there? It's gotta do something with this insert, right? Because if it's not there, then it just ends. Wait. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, I think it's because we need to do OSX and OSY here now that we changed everything, because it has a surface. Where's it getting this surface from? And we left a print somewhere over here. So why is there an object? Why is there an object in there if we haven't even so now there's not an object in there, but then we interact. So if we put that back, what is it gonna do? I wonder. We've reached that fucking section of this that's just there we go. We've reached the point of so man, I might as well just okay, I think I messed up here, because oh wait, recent interaction. I think that's what's happening, right? Because I don't want to append. I don't even want to have it in objects. So I'm just gonna scrap that, right? Scrap it because we really just need the collision detection. So is player colliding? Yes. What's the recent interaction? Because we're already scanning characters, and then this is This is character collision detection, right? So if it detects a player's colliding, it needs to it needs to print the button or create the object there, and then if not, it needs to delete all objects. So perhaps we just do this as a switch variable that switches, and then so we go up here, recent interaction, right? And it is interacting equals false. So at the end of the detection, it moves people, but then we need to check still if it's actually going to print. Huh. Oh, because it's breaking before. Oh, shit. That's why the collision isn't doing it. I'm supposed to speed it up a little bit. Oh yeah. That seems a little smoother. Although maybe we don't need as much pushback. Oh man, King of the Hill's great. There we go. That way we can still remain. Although maybe we should do it even less, right? Just because it's happening like constantly, right? So why don't we just, yeah, that way we're still nearby. Man, English is hard. That way we're still like right there, ready to go. It's like I don't know why I don't. When I start just writing things, I do it in blocks, right? And then I forget about the block before it and how it interacts. So I'm like having to refactor this stuff constantly. But that's just one of the challenges, right? I'm gonna space them out more too. Just because. Why are you weird? What did I get rid of? Oh. Excellent, get rid of brackets. See, that's the worst thing. If we didn't have this IDE here. Oh my god. Oh lord. Lord, please help me. Alright. So when they're colliding, they need to change the recent interaction, right? So if the recent interaction, if recent player variable dot recent interaction zero is greater than the absolute difference between, okay, so this is within the for loop, so we have px and py here, so px minus player variable dot recent interaction 0. Oh wait, no, so we did this incorrectly. So if 15 is greater than the absolute difference between the two, and 15 is greater than, actually, you know what, why don't we have that comparison as like an actual, wait. We could do that comparison, but we could do it for a function. Because I feel like we've done that comparison enough now, though. But, well, for now, we'll just leave it as is. We are doing character images Now we do interaction, and then do x minus 5. And then y plus. I know it'd be my minus as well. Although, let's do that.
A man who works hard sweats hard. Old skies thrive and fight sweat.
Is that a
Coach
ad?
was lacking.
What the hell? Nobody wants ads around here. Get out of here. So, okay, I realized the game was up this whole time while I was coding, so that's my bad. So let's test it again. Oh. List index out of range. Oh, because we have to ask before we do that. And player variable dot recent interaction is not well, I guess it would be does not equal. Does not equal. What is it? What does it start out as? What do we declare it as? Yeah, okay. That should be it then. Whoops. Index is out of range. Yes, because we're supposed to. Oh, right. So do this whole thing. And then we go back and if player interaction is not equal. What's the problem there? Doesn't seem to do anything, but you don't do anything. Oh, well, you know what? How do we accept all arguments? No, I guess they're not arguments, are they? So this is... Yeah, no, so we can't really do all that. I didn't think is not would work like that. Okay, yeah, there we go. List index is out of range. See, that's why we need to do not does not equal. So, what's it? If not, if not equals, like what? Is that really what it is? But then again, it should. Okay, here we go. Let's test it now. Alright, gotta get rid of all that. That's horrible. Okay, cool. So there is a reset interaction. Okay, cool. Cool. Cool, because we can see it here. So we are within. Oh wait. This is the point where we do 45s, right? But that's 48, so we gotta do 50? Wait, or are we not updating PX? Yeah, we have to update them before we do that, because they move the player, so we have to do another check for where we are, and then that's when we can do the 25 or something like that, right? Is that correct? Yep, there it is. Look. Okay, 25 is a bit rough. Let's do 45. Okay, cool. Alright, so recent interaction. We walk up. If we're within the parameters. Yeah, fuck yeah. Okay. Now minus 10 can be minus 20, and this could be minus 10 as well. Oh wait, we need to go up. So that'd be minus 30, and this would be minus 40, right? That seems like a lot, but yeah, no, it is a lot. So let's do 30. Let's change it back. And each time we go to a different dispersion. I mean, that's not center. What is center? 5 more pixels? So we do, what, 25? Yeah, that looks good. 25, and let's do a couple more pixels up, like 33 or something, you know, just so it's not touching the edge, it's above the person. Alright, awesome. Now this is gonna be the perfect time to put the text on top of it, but I don't know how to do Pygame text yet, so that's gonna be a challenge. Pygame text. Here's the information. You need to set a font. Use default font. So we take the font object that is default. And we're probably gonna want to set it to a size of like not a lot. So let's go to main window, because that's where a lot of our objects are. We'll do a small font. Object equals let's do 8. I feel like 8 is a big one. So now that we have the object for the font, we need to render the text into a surface, which will be a box, I guess. So then we create the surface and apply the surface. So we'll create a text object for the object. So with the object creation, we should do this. We should take def. No, Actually, I don't want to do that. That's just to create objects later. So it's gonna be John, right? And he's gonna be a person. So let's take. Oh wait. Okay. So this is great. So now. Gonna take the world edit world characters item, so item is item dot position. But we don't care about position, right? We care about name. So now we need to type item dot name. Okay, cool. So we need to create a surface, and we'll call it name surface equals Pygame. Or no, it would be main window dot small font dot render. Then we take item dot name. We put true, and we put 155, well, 256, no, 255, 100, and that should, then we do main window dot screen dot blit. Name surface. Wait. Let's see if, okay, font not initialized. Oh shit, did I mess that up? I thought font was initialized. So under main window, right, where do we put it? Because there. Oh wait, no, there shouldn't be a comma there. I'm tripping. So, there's just an extra space. Is that what the problem was? No. Okay, that's what I thought. Font not initial. Yeah, we've been doing this for 2 hours now. That's oh man, that's tough. That's tough. I want to come back to this. I do. I want to thank everybody for. Let's do that, and then we gotta go down here, and we got to do that. Okay. That way it runs, right? That way we can just go and blah 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 blah. Oh look, we're interacting with somebody, and then if we go around, and if we're close enough, you know what? I think it's the X that needs to be larger than the Y when it comes to that. So 45 seemed good for Y, but for X we need more like 60. That'll help with the distance problem, I think. So I get them up to, okay. Now, as long as I'm around, that's there, right? Although, maybe 60 on both is a good idea, right? Considering you know, as a junior indie dev or whatever you want to call it. I think that's pretty good for first time ever doing this shit, not copy pasting. You know, I think figuring that on your own is so much more rewarding. Like, I walk up to this guy, there's a box above his head. I walk up against this guy, there's a box above his head. I walk up to this guy, there's a box above his head. Now, what if, like, every tick I made them move randomly in a direction, right? So it was either north, south, east, or west, and they move point, whatever. I think that would be cool. I do. Absolutely no reason to be doing that, but okay. So the object's position can change. It'll be X, Y, so every game tick. We can do a set of, so this will be random movement. So we'll do list of variables, list of vars equals zero, zero. So there's a good chance that there's nothing coming out of this. And we'll do that. Okay, wait. Let me think here. So we're gonna want either left, right, up, down, or both. So that's 8. So if we want it to be a 50-50 chance that they move at all, it will be 8 of these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we do -1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1, -1, and 1, -1. Now we need to do the opposite, right? So we have one of each, and then we had 0, 1, and 0, -1. Okay, so list of vars. Now, choice of direction equals random.choice list of vars. Now, for, oh no, we need to do that for each object and characters, right? For cars in world edit world characters. And we can actually just do that outside of the scope here, so we can declare it here. And I don't know why it pasted like that, but I honestly don't mind. And then we need to take cars dot position 0 plus equals choice of direction 0, and then cars dot position 1 plus equals choice of direction 1. So let's see. Okay, tuple object does not support item assignment. then let me do it this way. Let me print choice of direction, because I could have sworn that okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. So choice of direct, oh, cars dot position. Is that what the problem was? No, I'm confused. Was it cars dot position? Because if I run it again, it'll crash, right? Dot position. Tuple does not support item assignment. So world edit dot character should be. Oh, wait. Item is the last one. Is that not? Yeah, okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be 4, 4, 0, and 4, 1. And it's not position. It's because that's a different thing, I believe. Wait, am I? Object creation, name, object type, image collection. Yeah, this position's 4. So instead of doing dot position, object is not subscript. Wait, is it position? Dot position. Oh, what? How? Wait. World edit world characters. That'll be dot position, right? So do I literally just have to like print car? And then that's just objects, right? Yeah, so it's objects, so it's dot position. Right? Dot position. And that is its position. Yes. Okay, so we need to take it, so new X, new Y. Oh, new X, new Y equals cars dot position, and then new X plus equals choice of direction 0, and we also do new Y plus equals choice of direction 1, and then we do cars dot position equals new X, new Y. I think that's how we do it. Oh my god, yes, they're moving. Oh my god, they're moving. And then the interaction works. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Although they seem to love going up. Why is that? That's weird, but okay. Yeah, that's crazy. That's that's awesome, man. Wow. Of course, then we would need to edit the thing a little bit better. So. Oh wow, this was a good one. I like that. I like I did on that one. Oh, that was good.